Good evening, students. Today we are dealing with the two important process of water. Because of these two things, water is there in the nature. The first important thing, it is evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation is water is becoming water vapor or gas. That process we are saying evaporation. Now we are looking that for what all uses we can use evaporation. First thing, you may have noticed that is when we are keeping the clothes for drying in the hanger outside. Then what is happening? Clothes are wet. But after some time, if a sunlight is there or if a very good wind is there, then what is happening? Water is slowly disappearing from the clothes. Or we can say that clothes are getting dried. So you may have seen that mainly 2 times clothes are getting dried. One is on a sunny day. If a sunlight is there in a very good manner. Second one, it is on a windy day. That is when winds are there too much. Now, how to keep the clothes? How to keep the clothes? We have to keep the clothes in a spreading manner. Not in a crumpled, that is all together, or crippled manner. If we are keeping the clothes in this manner, in a crippled manner, what is happening? Evaporation is taking more time. So clothes will not dry fast. But if you are spreading the clothes, then clothes are drying very fast. So we have seen one important use of evaporation. It helps to keep the clothes dry. And I have told mainly 2 times, that is on sunny day and windy day. If already cloudy day, already water is there in the air. So that time clothes will not dry fast because on the clothes also water is there. Along with that, in the nature also water is there. So nature doesn't need water from the clothes. So it will take too much time to dry. Now we are talking about another important term. Dike. D-Y-K-E-S. Dike. What is dike? Seashore near to the sea. It is cut off from the sea by making many salt pans. That is, salt pan means the area for making the salt from the sea water. So, what these salt pans are doing? They are actually keeping the water there. So, water cannot go back to the sea. Water is blocked there. So what will happen? When the sunlight comes, then water is getting evaporated. Water is going up in the air. Evaporation is happening. At the same time, salt is coming there. So, we understood that evaporation is very good for making the salt. So, you may have seen that near the seashore, a lot of salt pans for making the salt. So, it is very good method for making the salt. In Gujarat also, we can see this a lot. And what people are doing? This is sent to, refined to factories. So, their cleaning process is doing. After that, salt is reaching to the market. So, we have explained what is evaporation. Evaporation means water is becoming water vapor or gas. Then we have seen that two important uses of evaporation, that is clothes will get dry fast. Same manner we can make salt from the dike or salt pans. So all these things are very important. Then only water will be there in the nature. One more process is the condensation. We will talk tomorrow. Thank you.